Okay, we have Sung and his brand new AR15. Move to the center target. Down. Move to the right target. Move to the center target. Move to the left target. Come up, hit all three in a row, left to right. Steel plate, 100 yards. Hit. Hit. Down, center target. Left target. Right target. Center steel plate. How's that?
That is awesome.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
But you see the discipline?
Yeah.
You see how hard it is to do fast?
Yeah. Hey, I'm getting better with the safety though.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Well, you know, you're learning a whole bunch of different things at one time.
Yeah.
It's not like you're doing one thing at a time.
Right, right.
So it's just, you can kind of cram it all into one session if you just work slower.
Yeah.
And just focus on it, and then speed will happen with practice.
Right, for sure.
All right,
For
cool.
Sure. Yeah.